Linking your bank account to DoorDash is a straightforward process that allows you to receive payments for your deliveries. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Methods. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Payment or Payment Methods. Tap on this option to view your current payment settings. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose Bank Account and enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Save or Link Account to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message once your bank account is successfully linked. Now you are ready to receive payments through DoorDash. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app for assistance.